All right, guys, he just opened a roll. He would not let me look at it because there's something awesome inside. Let's see if we can see it. Look at that. There's something super dark in there. Is that what you're seeing, or is there something else I should be looking at? Let me see here.
If you don't see that, you got
It's
issues.
hard for me to see.
Well, you are colorblind, so.
Yeah, so show me what you're looking at.
Right
here.
there.
Oh, okay. All right, so we got something else other than the dark one. I thought it was the dark one.
We'll flip the dark one. I don't think it's anything. I think it's just dirty. Oh, it's toned really cool, though. 1984.
84. All right, so that was just
This is what I was going after.
All right, let's see what it is.
It's a 72.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing.
Lame. Wah, wah.
Wow. All right, I'm going to open a candy. We know this is silver.
All right. If there's multiple silvers in there, stop so I can record it.
All right. What's the deal?
I wanted to do a video. Oh my god.
No.
Just one?
It might be one, but I doubt it. Just the one. So 1968 to ender.
Alright, 68 ender. Alright guys, we are down to that final Benjamin Franklin ender. We're going to open this up and see if he has any friends. I hope there's some friends because we only found one other silver in the box.
I think he's traveling solo.
No! Was it really?
Yeah.
Ah, let's check. Go check.
Solo.
Solo. Benji, why are you solo?